Yes, sir. So, guys, we are up and about here for another area. Now, guys, I was supposed to do one. Hey, hold on, I did something. Yeah, guys. So, like I said, I was supposed to do one around Pottersville. I was actually gonna do one around Pottersville area, but unfortunately, by the time that we were about to do it, because I actually was going with a friend of mine to do Pottersville, Pocassi, not Pottersville, to do Pocassi area. It was around 5:30 something, and as we going, it's the darker it was getting. That was rather crazy. So while I'm up here, I decide, hey, since I charged up the stuff, why don't I just do one on Savanne Paille, man? Because Savanne Paille is a pretty beautiful place, and as you can see, there's a lot of greenery and a lot of dope houses. I remember the last time I came to do this stuff. It was pretty epic. Hello, mommy, how you doing? Good, 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 good. You want me to fly you too? Next time, next time. But yeah, guys, very high, we might be very, very high. Yeah. Hey, so yeah, guys, as you can see, some of the roofs are actually on the house. Majority of the roofs are actually on the houses here in Savanne Paille. This is the road where we normally go to. Let me turn for you guys to see. This is the road that we go down. Go to Tukari. Tukari is right over there, guys. Right over there is Tukari. The sea is pretty calm over there. Let me go over there and see what's up. Let me go down. I'm just gonna do a flyby so you guys can actually see Tukari area. So you can say, hey, Mystelics to Tukari. Well, I doing one at this at one in one time. You see, kill two birds in one stone. So yeah, I almost lost signal there for a bit because I'm actually higher. This thing is showing me the negative in my height, so I'm actually below myself. I'm like more on top the hill area. So like I say, the sea is pretty calm. Yeah, we got some good food over there, by the way. Those of you want to know, yeah, check out. They have two nice restaurants there. I got a nice potato salad over there, and I check it. Yes, sir. That's what's up. I am somewhere over there, so I'm more on top of the hill than, well, more at the bottom of the hill rather than on top of myself. So yeah, guys, we're coming back through. There's very little wind, which is a good thing, because normally I have to be fighting the wind like crazy. But yeah. By the way, guys, for the podcast video, when I asked you guys to reach 100 likes on the vlog, we didn't attain it, but I was still going to do it anyway since I was in the area. But yeah, guys, you guys gotta I'm doing my part, so you guys have to do your part as well. You check. Don't just say, oh, I want to do videos and whatnot. No. And I know some of you guys always want me to do different videos. Oh my goodness, there's a high wind there. Very high wind. I am floorboarding this thing. Okay, I'm starting to pick up now. But like I say, I know some of you guys want me to do videos, aerials all over the place and stuff. What I urge persons to do is give a donation of at least $20. If you give a donation of at least $20, and in one of the links below, then you basically tell me what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. I mean, 20 US is nothing big here, but Maguesa, when you convert it to Dominica, it's kind of a little more. So in that way, I can pay for gas on this thing. My goodness. So if you want me to, look at the beauty of the nature island of the Caribbean. Look at the beauty of that beauty, nice looking, sexy curves. Oh Lord Jesus. But yeah, man, over there's the villas. The wind is kind of pushing me to the right. I don't know why. Okay, my goodness, it's very difficult to come back. Very, very difficult. High wind velocity, this thing is telling me. And I am close to the sea area. So you know it's a bit of a struggle. This is the school. Okay, but still, I'm still gonna go down there. Let me see if I can go down there, Marisa. Hopefully I don't get blown over. I don't get blown over the sea, man, because that would be terrible. Then that would mean I would have to look for a boat for me to land if it's in the sea. The wind is taking me, so it's very easy to go down since I'm going with the wind now. These are the villas right there. I all the way down there. Let me come and see if I can pass over all you. So guys, yeah, this is where I was just a while ago. And let me see if I can come through. It's very difficult, guys. Very difficult. The wind. I am floorboarding this thing, by the way. And this thing is. Press stick forward for 3 seconds. And press C1. I don't know what is C1, huh? Okay, look at that. My transmission is losing. Guys, this is crazy. But at least, look, Leroy. But guys, at least we are getting to definitely see some of this, how these houses are looking like. A lot of the houses actually have roofs on them, which means the last video that I did, most of them did not have roofs on them. So I think the Samaritan Pulse and a number of the other organizations that came there are actually doing something really good. I also think on these drones, they need to have a rear view mirror, because I can only see forward. I ain't coming. Whoa, man, I hit a mango tree. Yes, we bro. Look them there. Yeah. Oh, actually, you are looking for it. Yeah, so them fellas working on the roof and thing. Actually, what are you doing there? Huh? What are you doing there?
Simple lines up.
So all you that doing the roofs and thing?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what's up. So Ashley, them that organizing that. Look, Ashley, as you see, Ashley going back in the yard. But yeah, man, this guy's doing a good job. I was saying Samaritan Bus, but the locals as well as are doing a wonderful job as well. But thank God I'm able to pass. This is around the area that I actually am right now. But let's see if we go a little further and see what's up, what's lying beyond the horizon, my folks.
So it's two steps. One doing the roof, some doing the roads.
The roads?
Yeah, the roof.
The roof?
Yeah, doing the roof.
And the road?
And the road.
Okay. I go further up here. Let me see how far I can go up there. I done pass. We all the way up there. Oh, you are doing all the roofs, man, Ashley?
No, all.
Well, you do majority of them?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a company with somebody has solar device? Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have solar device also.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think I ever go up there, no?
Yeah, pass up to the Penville.
Up so it's Penville? That can be Penville.
Up so you have to go to Penville.
So if I go over the mountain, it'll be Penville?
Yes.
Guys, you want me to go over the mountain? I have 58% on this thing, so I don't go over the mountain, boy. Only thing tell me transmission lost. Okay, I get it back. But that is where
maximum flight altitude.
Okay, it's a max. I don't go over the mountain. Remember, I have to take out the restrictions on it. So I am right on top there, and we are like right down there somewhere. Let me see the map. Let me see. 120 meters. Yeah, so guys, I was just showcasing, Savanne Paille and whatnot. Come down on the ground. We drop down, let me turn a little bit. So how is the work now going, Ashley? In case all you don't know who is Ashley, Ashley is the one that was, you know, popping, I think it's Triple K was doing in the festival. Who was doing Sabanton? Yeah, he was doing Sabanton. I said, yes, Ashley, that was rolling nicely. I wonder if I posted that video on I posted it? I can't remember. Okay, yeah. That was a good thing, you know, Ashley. You must do more of these things, boy, because if you have the talent to do it, Ashley. Or you mean hey guys, so this is, let me go up for you guys. I'm actually above my head. I know none of you guys have been telling about doing, you know, you like the commentaries instead. I mean, the music is cool too, you know. But music, I'm going to go to the heights, man. Let me go to the right up. You been chasing me? Oh, it's too low. So yeah, guys, this is the height. Yeah, guys, this is the height. Let me just do like a pan for you guys. Like a pan, easy pan. The greenery is there, much alive and well. The nature island of the Caribbean. And yeah, guys, that is, I just figured let me just do that one for you guys, so you guys can actually see the different vibes, man. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want guys to see more, definitely subscribe, guys, and turn on the post notifications for to get all the videos, the aerial videos as they come through. You don't know. Leave your request below what you want to see, and guys, if you want me to do an area, let me know. Give a contribution, and I'll definitely get it done. Thanks so much, guys. Once again, it's your boy Mystelics on Aerial Dominica this time. Be real, be positive.
My love one life and me too young for worry about problems.